Hello, I'm Julie Hughes, Extension Agent with Mississippi State University Extension in Choctaw County. Today's Back to Basics Life Skills 101 is cleaning the refrigerator. All refrigerators are different, so if you have the manual that came with yours, follow those directions. We want to avoid mold, pests, and germs, so here are ways to keep your refrigerator clean. Remove food from the refrigerator and place it in an ice chest to stay cool. Throw away any old food, leftovers, and out-of-date items. Remove all drawers, racks, and shelves. Mix 2 teaspoons baking soda in a quart of warm water. Using a clean, soft cloth, wash drawers, racks, and shelves with this solution and wipe down the interior walls. Replace shelves, drawers, and food. Leave an open box of baking soda inside the refrigerator to help absorb odors. For lingering refrigerator odors, you may also place clean, crumpled newspaper that has been sprinkled with water inside the refrigerator and remove once the odor is gone. Be sure to change the newspaper every other day. Clean the outside of the refrigerator with warm, mild, soapy water or whatever cleaning product your manual recommends. Wash the rubber gasket around the door. This helps remove mold and mildew. Rinse with warm water and dry with a clean, soft cloth. Occasionally vacuum or clean the coils under or behind the refrigerator to remove any dust. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to join us Monday morning at 10 o'clock for a new video series. For more information, go to our website, extension.msstate.edu. Thank you.